FNRC. The FNRC 1014D digital oscilloscope is a feature-packed and cost-effective tool designed for both professionals and hobbyists in the electrical field. This two-in-one device functions as both an oscilloscope and a signal generator, making it an excellent choice for maintenance and R&D applications. It boasts a dual-channel input with an impressive analog bandwidth and a real-time sampling rate of 1 GSA/s, ensuring high-precision signal capturing. The oscilloscope supports single, normal, and auto trigger modes, allowing users to analyze both periodic analog signals and aperiodic digital signals with ease. Additionally, its built-in DDS function enables the generation of 12 standard function signals and a customizable chopping signal with a 2.5 VPP amplitude. The ability to store up to 1,000 customized cutoff signals further enhances its functionality, making it highly versatile. One of the standout features of the FNRC 1014D is its large 7-inch 800 by 480 resolution LCD display, which provides bright and clear visuals for waveform analysis. The user-friendly interface includes a one-button auto function that quickly optimizes waveform display without requiring tedious manual adjustments. The oscilloscope also features a convenient one-button screen capture and waveform storage function, enabling users to save up to 1,000 screenshots and 1,000 waveform data sets effortlessly. For added convenience, the oscilloscope is equipped with a USB interface for exporting captured images to a computer for further analysis. Its built-in high-voltage protection module can tolerate up to 400 volt, preventing accidental damage due to improper probe settings. Other notable features include FFT analysis for estimating harmonic components, Lysage's graphic display for phase comparison, and a large time-based scrolling mode for monitoring slow signal variations. The combination of comprehensive signal analysis, user-friendly operation, and robust storage capabilities makes the FNRC 1014D a reliable and versatile tool for engineers, technicians, and electronics enthusiasts. 01. The O1 SDS1102 digital oscilloscope is a high-performance, dual-channel oscilloscope designed for professionals and electronics enthusiasts who require precision and reliability. With a 100 MHz bandwidth and an impressive 1 GS/s sampling rate, this device captures intricate signal details with high accuracy. The 7-inch TFT color display, featuring a resolution of 800 by 480 pixels, ensures a clear and detailed visualization of waveforms, making it easier to analyze complex signals. Its dual-channel capability allows users to monitor and compare two signals simultaneously, making it an excellent tool for troubleshooting and circuit testing. The oscilloscope provides robust connectivity options, including a USB host and device interface, along with a built-in frequency counter for enhanced functionality. This oscilloscope is equipped with extensive automatic measurement features, including VPP, VABG, RMS, frequency, and period measurements, allowing users to analyze waveforms quickly and efficiently. The SDS1102 supports various trigger modes, including edge, video, and auto, ensuring precise signal capturing under different conditions. Advanced waveform math functions, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, inversion, and FFT, further enhance signal processing capabilities. The cursor measurement function enables users to accurately determine voltage differences and time intervals between 2 points on the waveform. Additionally, the Lysage's figure feature facilitates phase difference analysis, making the oscilloscope ideal for advanced signal diagnostics. Built for both portability and durability, the O1 SDS1102 features a compact design, measuring 301 by 152 by 70 mm and weighing only 1.10 kilograms. Its demountable battery makes it suitable for fieldwork as well as lab-based applications. The device also boasts a 10K record length, allowing users to capture and store waveform data for in-depth analysis. Safety features include an isolated power supply and a 2A fuse for added protection. The SDS1102 comes with essential accessories, including a power cord, USB cable, probes, a CD-ROM, and a user manual, making it a complete solution for professional oscilloscope needs. Maturk. The Maturk 3-in-1 digital oscilloscope is a versatile and compact device that integrates an oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator into a single handheld unit. Designed for both professionals and hobbyists, this device is equipped with a 3.2-inch IPS display that provides clear visuals with high sensitivity. With a bandwidth of 120 MHz and a real-time sampling rate of 250 ms/s, it ensures accurate waveform analysis. The oscilloscope supports 3 trigger modes: automatic, single, and normal, along with key functions such as sensitivity and time-based adjustment, reference waveforms, FFT spectrum analysis, and waveform saving and viewing. Its dual-channel capability allows users to measure and compare 2 signals simultaneously, making it an excellent tool for complex waveform analysis. Additionally, the XY mode enables phase difference and frequency relationship analysis between 2 signals, while the FFT spectrum function transforms time domain waveforms into the frequency domain for more detailed examination. Beyond its oscilloscope functions, the Maturk device includes a built-in signal generator capable of outputting sine, square, and triangular waves with adjustable frequency 0 to 2 MHz, and square wave duty cycle 1% to 99%. The inclusion of a true RMS multimeter enhances its functionality, allowing users to measure DC, AC voltage and current, resistance, capacitance, diode integrity, and continuity. A unique feature is the simultaneous use of oscilloscope and multimeter functions in low voltage by resistance testing, with a small waveform display in the corner of the screen for added convenience. The device also features automatic and fully automatic modes, enabling quick waveform detection and continuous automation without manual adjustments. The Maturk 3-in-1 oscilloscope is user-friendly, offering one-click waveform capture, zoom mode, and easy waveform storage with an intuitive browsing system. The USB Type-C charging port powers its 2500 mAh rechargeable battery, ensuring portability and extended operation. Hanmatech. The Hanmatech digital oscilloscope is an ultra-portable yet highly capable device designed to meet the needs of both professionals and electronics enthusiasts. Featuring a sleek, ultra-thin body, it saves valuable desktop space while maintaining a power-efficient and ultra-quiet operation with a power consumption of less than or equal to 18 W. With a 110 MHz bandwidth and a real-time sampling rate of 1 gs/s, this oscilloscope delivers precise signal capture, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, including circuit debugging, research, and maintenance tasks. It comes in both 2-channel and 4-channel variants, allowing users to analyze multiple signals simultaneously for more comprehensive waveform analysis. Equipped with a 7-inch TFT display with a resolution of 800 by 480 pixels, the Hanmatech oscilloscope ensures clear waveform visualization, making signal interpretation easier. Its storage depth is not less than 10K sampling points, ensuring detailed signal acquisition and analysis. Additionally, with a maximum waveform capture rate of 50,000 waveforms per second, it can efficiently record fast-changing signals. The device supports waveform storage for up to 16 groups of waveforms, allowing users to reference and compare previously captured data easily. For enhanced connectivity, the Hanmatech oscilloscope features both USB device and host interfaces, enabling seamless communication with a computer. It supports SCPI and LabVIEW communication, allowing users to control and analyze signals remotely using the included USB cable. This feature is particularly useful for automation, data logging, and integrating the oscilloscope into a larger test system. The oscilloscope also includes a built-in frequency meter for precise frequency analysis, further enhancing its versatility. The device offers multiple trigger options, including edge and video triggers, to capture signals with precision. The vertical accuracy is rated at 8 bits, providing reliable amplitude measurements. SIG-Lent. The SIG-Lent SDS800X HD series is a high-definition oscilloscope that delivers outstanding performance with its 12-bit vertical resolution, available in both 2-channel and 4-channel variants. With an advanced 12-bit ADC that can be enhanced to 15-bit resolution at the push of a button, this oscilloscope offers ultra-clear waveform visualization. Compared to standard 8-bit oscilloscopes, the SDS800X HD significantly improves signal detection and display capabilities, making it ideal for high-precision power testing, power ripple measurement, device performance optimization, engine control unit diagnostics, and even medical applications. The built-in horizontal and vertical zoom functions further enhance waveform analysis by allowing users to closely examine both overall signal integrity and finer details. One of the most impressive features of the SDS800X HD series is its exceptional background noise performance, measuring as low as 50 to 70 VRMS at 1 MV by DIV. This ultra-low noise floor ensures superior signal clarity and accuracy, allowing users to capture even the smallest variations in electrical signals. The oscilloscope boasts a high waveform refresh rate of 120,000 waveforms per second in normal mode and an astonishing 500,000 waveforms per second in sequence mode, making it highly efficient in capturing low-probability transient events and anomalies. Storage capacity is another strong point, with a deep memory of up to 100 MPTS, enabling longer duration signal capture at high sampling rates. This feature is particularly beneficial when analyzing complex signals or intermittent faults, as it ensures that no critical data is lost. For frequency response analysis, the oscilloscope comes with built-in Bode diagram functionality, replacing the need for costly network analyzers in certain applications. This makes it an excellent choice for testing system loop stability and signal integrity. Additionally, the FFT function supports up to 2 endpoints, enabling detailed frequency domain analysis, while the serial bus decoding function facilitates quick and intuitive protocol analysis for I2C, SPI, UART, CAN, and LAN communication standards.